Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. Conditional formatting is a type of formatting that is applied to cells or ranges when certain conditions are met, which can add visual emphasis to different aspects of a data range. These conditions are set, but can quite often be customized and edited, in rules that have been programmed into Excel. There are two types of conditional formatting. These are values-based formatting and trend-based formatting. With values-based conditional formatting, cells in the range are examined and their shading and coloring is based on whether they meet the conditions of the rule. This type of formatting allows you to see whether values in a range are greater than a certain value, less than a certain value, equal to a certain value, or fall between ranges. You can also display the top 10, bottom 10, top 10%, bottom 10%, and above and below averages with this type of formatting. In all cases, a dialog box will appear which allows you to modify the rule based on what is required. Basically, the dialog box allows you to specify a value or a range of values for the rule, and to determine the color of the shading used. With trend-based conditional formatting, coloring is applied to all of the cells in the range. The depth of the coloring is determined by the values shown in each cell relative to the overall total of the range. This allows you to instantly spot higher, lower, and median values in the range and to see the trend of the numbers. The formatting can be applied in the form of colored bars, colored scales, and even icons. No matter what kind of conditional formatting rule you are trying to use, you will always go through these three basic steps. Select cell range. Specify the parameters. Choose the formatting. Let's discuss the different options in conditional formatting with some examples. In the following spreadsheet, we'll make the data more visually interesting using different options on conditional formatting menu. Highlight cell rules is a pre-made type of conditional formatting in Excel used to change the appearance of cells in a range based on your specified conditions. For example, let's use highlight cells rules to highlight the cells higher than 75% in the satisfaction rating column. Select the desired range. Then click on Conditional Formatting button. Click on Highlight Cells Rules. Select on Greater Than option. Modify the condition, which is 75%. Select the desired color. Then click OK to apply. To highlight duplicate values, select the desired range. Then click on Conditional Formatting button. Click on Highlight Cells Rules. Then click on Duplicate Values. Select the desired color. Then click OK to apply. To clear conditional formatting, select the range you want to clear, then go to Conditional Formatting, then click on Clear Rules. From here, you have two main options, which is clear rules from selected cells. This will clear only rule from a range of selected cell. And clear rules from entire sheet, which will clear all rules in the entire sheet. Additional rules are clear rules from this table and clear rules from this pivot table. In top and or bottom rules, you can find the highest and lowest values in a range of cells that are based on a cutoff value you specify. For example, in our spreadsheet, let's highlight top 5 from the satisfaction rating. Select the desired range. Then click on Conditional Formatting button. Click on Top and or Bottom Rules. Select Top 10 Items option. Enter the value 5. Select Color. Then click OK to apply. A data bar helps you see the value of a cell relative to other cells. The length of the data bar represents the value in the cell. A longer bar represents a higher value, and a shorter bar represents a lower value. Data bars are useful in spotting higher and lower numbers, especially with large amounts of data. Use an icon set to annotate and classify data into 3 to 5 categories separated by a threshold value. Each icon represents a range of values. For example, in the 3 arrows icon set, the green up arrow represents higher values, the yellow sideways arrow represents middle values, and the red down arrow represents lower values. You can choose to show icons only for cells that meet a condition, for example, displaying a warning icon for those cells that fall below a critical value and no icons for those that exceed it. You can also create your own combination of icon sets. And to add a new conditional format, click New Rule. The New Formatting Rule dialog box appears. This covers working with conditional formatting. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.